We do not live in the house above, we actually live in an old house under the new house. So I think it would be a good idea to show you how does the house look that we for the last 4 days has been living 4 grown-ups inside. So to get into the house we need this big key. And at a Turkish house you will always take your shoes off first. Here is the living room area where we sit and watch television. And this couch can also be turned into a bed. In here is the bedroom. And here is the Turkish kitchen. And the kitchen is really small, but it is also really stocked, which is something Turkish people do a lot. If you want to take a shower, you need to come here. This is the shower. And out through the kitchen, we turn here. Into the most amazing Turkish toilet ever. It's a double toilet. It's the whole toilet, which I call a Turkish toilet, and then what I call a European toilet, the normal one. And if you wanna pee, you're gonna wear the toilet flip-flops. They stay in the toilet flip-flops. And the last part of the house is the balcony. You did already see the balcony from the outside, because this is that balcony that goes over the road. And here we sometimes sleep. And right now Safa's mom is drying some tea leaves so we can have tea. So that's actually the house. It's not that big. It is under a newer house. It's small, it's fun, it's crowded.